Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Social Blade to monitor competitor channels, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Social Blade for monitoring competitor channels, start by visiting the Social Blade website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter the name or the URL of the competitor's YouTube channel you want to monitor. Click on the search icon or press enter to proceed. After a moment, you will see the search results page. Click on the appropriate channel from the list provided. You will be taken to the channel's overview page. Here, you'll find various statistics related to the channel. To set up alerts, look for the follow button on the channel page. Click on the follow button to create a tracking profile for this channel. Next, you may want to explore additional metrics by clicking on the tabs available. To compare multiple channels, return to the Social Blade homepage. Again, use the search bar to find another competitor's channel. Once found, click on it to access its overview page. You can now switch between channels to analyze their performance side by side. For a more detailed analysis, consider using the YouTube Stats section. This section shows trends and historical data over time. Make sure to check the Social Blade rank for a broader context. Review the channel analytics for insights into activity and engagement rates. Set reminders to revisit the channels regularly for updates. Social Blade also offers graphs for visual representation of statistics. Feel free to utilize these visuals to track changes effectively. With these steps, you can successfully monitor your competitors' YouTube channels using Social Blade. By regularly checking the data, you can gain valuable insights to inform your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.